Hey, welcome back, everybody. I wanted to show you guys. So far, I'm gonna try to be using the GoPro as a B camera roll. So again, I'm gonna use it with the Volta handle grip here. It's got the GoPro 11 Hero here. It's got 10-bit. I have it set at 10-bit setting with the extra high bit rates. And then we're gonna do what we'll take a look at the shoes. We'll do just kind of like an unboxing of the shoes. Yeah. And I got the Rode wireless Go 2 mics here. These are the two. So yeah, we'll see how good that. I mean, a portable system like this on the go.
Just like our regular videos when we open our other boxes, right?
That's right. Yeah. See, so we can go through. So yeah, we'll have a couple of different ones of this. So yeah, again, it's a nice. It's a great action camera. But again, this with the media mods and the Volta, getting extra battery life and everything is actually very good, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so we'll put this up there as a B-roll. Yeah, okay, I gotta set it up as a up above camera shot down here. The other good thing about this GoPro too, remember how we can do the voice commands?
Yeah, with these.
Yeah, and I can kind of show, like in this case, I'm gonna just use this as just kind of showing you guys unboxing and using the GoPro 11 Hero here. And this is another good thing about it is like I can go ahead and say GoPro start recording.
I don't think it's working.
Oh, it's not working. GoPro start recording. Oh,
let me try. GoPro start recording.
Okay, so I go ahead and did the manual record on there. So let's say we're doing an unboxing in here, and we wanted to. We wanted to, just kind of use the GoPro as a camera. So yeah, let's go do just kind of a little unboxing here. Hey, so we got the Jordan 3s here. These are the Wizards that just got released, right?
Ordered it. Yeah, good thing we ordered it.
Yeah, that's right. Good thing we ordered these because they're not available anymore, right?
Yeah, this is the last one, right?
Yeah, I think these are the last ones. So yeah, let's.
Yeah, good thing we're the winners of they are.
Yeah,
right?
We're the winners. That's right.
Yeah, they are.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's open it up.
Let me do it. I'm the expert.
Okay, we got the expert on hand here. That's great.
Wait, I'm gonna keep this. It's something from my experience.
All right, so let's see. Let's check it out.
Wait, I know. They made a secret door.
All right, this is a secret door, guys.
Yep, there's a secret door on this side.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out.
It looks like it went back by itself. It looks like there was like some. Okay, let's flip this over. Let's open this, then let's take these apart and see what we got. Oh,
that's okay.
Yeah, accidents happen sometimes.
That's right. Yeah, accidents.
Not always.
Yeah. All right. Ooh, check it out.
Look at how good, fancy they are. Oh, look! Touch this. Touch this part. It's so soft.
Oh yeah, check it out, guys. Everybody, let's everybody see in the camera here with the B-roll.
Yeah, it's really.
It's really soft.
Yeah, it feels really good.
Oh wow.
Like it feels like a cube.
Oh, like a cube. See you guys. So yeah, let's take a look at this. The Wizard. As you can see here, it's got the nice blue color here. It's got the Michael Air Jordan in the back, right?
Yeah, just like the ones at the store at Mommy's store, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like the lighting up one.
Oh yeah, see now it's got the nice leather. Again, look at the bottom. It's here. It's got the Jordan in down here at the bottom. So that's pretty good. Like I mentioned to you guys, I'm using the GoPro here. I'm gonna be doing just kind of the viewing here, just showing you guys how good. Let's see how good it comes out. Of course, we already know we can put them on the other camera here, on the regular camera, so we can see all the B-roll stuff. So yeah, it's very nice. These are the Jordan 3 Wizards. These are just recently released, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think about these?
Yeah, they look really cool. Also, this kind of looks like the same one except for a different color. Right?
Oh yeah, it's got the gold color, as you can see here. It's got gold in there, stitching, which is the Jumpman in there.
I think I'm
and inside, it's got the little leather here, upper leather here, and it's got the little, just ventilation in there. Up here, it's got for the shoelace wrap, and again the tongue. It's got little.
We forgot something.
What's that? What did we?
We forgot to tell them to subscribe.
Oh, okay. We'll tell them at the end to subscribe.
Okay. Okay, got it.
But so anyway, so we're using the GoPro Hero 11 here as a second camera. So what do you guys think? I'll edit the video and I'll put the settings I used the GoPro in. Again, I got it at the 10-bit. the highest resolution, highest everything. But I'll put the down here below you. I'll put the settings, and also I'll put them here in the video so you guys can see. But yeah, again, yeah, hopefully all this looks really good. Actually, liking these, they're pretty nice, as you guys can see that.
I
Right?
like the brown part. It feels really good.
Oh, okay. Which
Yeah, that's
part?
my favorite.
Where is that?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
This the thing that's like a circle. Right
Oh,
here
like a
at the
circle
top.
there.
Yeah, on the top. The top
Ah.
one, guys.
So that's pretty nice. So
Yep.
So okay, so then yeah, everybody, hope this video helps. If you guys are deciding to use the, guys are looking for the Hero as the Hero 11 as the like a second camera, portable when you're on the road, right?
Yep.
You can use it and you'll be able to do
Take
you know
pictures, take videos, and all that stuff.
yeah. See.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the GoPro Hero
Wait,
11?
before I talk, let me see if my computer's still. Yep,
Okay,
it's still on.
All right.
Our fans are still on.
Nice. So what do you think about the GoPro Hero 11?
Yeah,
Camera.
I'm sure it's still doing the camera because I see the little red blinking color thing.
The light, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed when it blinks like this, off, on, that means it's recording.
Yeah, that's right. That
Yeah.
way you guys can see when it's recording and you can know that, you're not missing a shot or anything like that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So you know, and you don't have, and so you know when it's recording, and you don't need to worry about it.
So, do you like the GoPro Hero? Does it take great pictures and videos?
Yep. Even when we were playing outside in the cold weather.
Exactly.
And even like my computer, sometimes it takes good shots, right?
Yeah. But yeah, the Hero Pro 11 does great video.
It turns out really
great
good.
action camera. So yeah, so hope this helps you guys. If you guys are deciding to use the GoPro Hero 11 Black as a...
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so what are we gonna tell everybody?
To subscribe.
Yes.
And subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that bell right down below of this video.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Ding, ding. Yep. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.